This is one of the biggest temples in Kyoto. Very beautiful, very old, surrounded by green nature. As you can see, there's part of the temple way over there. Don't know if you can see it with this cam. Lots of tourists around here. Really super clean here, and the temples are kept up in pretty good condition by the looks of it. So we'll go for a little bit of a walk up here, see what we can see. Lots of tourists. And up there's a really big building. Hopefully I can get up into there. Fairly quiet other than people talking. Temperatures got a little cooler. Since that typhoon passed yesterday, there wasn't really much in this area. Just a little bit of rain. And up there you can see a nice beautiful garden up there. There's the main building there. Looks like they're doing some repairs on it, so it's going to be closed. Looks like a little shrine here. A little river with fish in there. Really beautiful. And then I'm going to go back to the entrance again. Really nice to walk around here. See all the people in komotos on. I think that's what you call them. And there's one of the ways in. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short clip. I hope to put it all into one video. You can see there's one of the towers there. Really nice orange color. So we'll just go around this corner real quick. Show you what's around here. And there we are. We're all finished. It's basically going back down the stairs again. A little bit of a climb, but not really. As you can see, all the people are climbing up here. And that's it. This is a really nice, cute Japanese love shrine that I stopped by. The upkeep is really, really awesome. Like, look at that. That's really good. And you see all the Japanese girls walking around. Another one here. There. And then you have a temple there. And I have no idea what that says. Anyway, that's what this little shrine looks like. This is a nice view of Kyoto. Absolutely awesome. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of a view of what it looks like here. So I'm at one of their temples, as you can see, it's a little orange building.
走吧，云南也要拍吗？走吧。
不拍自找。
原来是全景。
跟姨妈一样的，不喜欢拍照片。
原来都是全景。啊？这搿只弄是全景了多好看。哎，搿只插在搿头来啥上看到了？好像一个地铁出来的吧？